Hi, I am Nasir. Today I will discuss how to make girls t-shirt pattern. In this time, listen and watch me at starting video. Thanks all. What is pattern making process? Pattern making is a blueprint for the garment. On the basis of which the fabric is cut, it is the technical drawing or drafting of a garment. A standard size chart, dress, forms or figure are measured. These measurements are then converted into 2D pattern and then garments are made from them. Girls classic t-shirt pattern making measurement size 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 3, 5, 7, 9. Chest measurement, length measurement, shoulder measurement, sleeve length, sleeve openings. Now I explain a starting point 0, first drawing, a line 0 to 1, a mark 0 to 1, mark a line 0, 0 starting point, body pattern drafting 0 to 1, mark a line, measure body length plus half inch neck seam margin and added 3/4 inch bottom seam margin 0 to 2, mark a line, measure half shoulder plus half inch seam margin, shoulder seam margin, and 0 to 3 half back neck width, 0 to 3 half back neck width less than 3/8 seam margin, mark a point 3 half back neck width, 0 to 4 back neck deep, draw curved line, 0 to 4 half inch back neck deep line to short as a dot line, drawing curved neck back neck curved line, 0 to 5 front neck deep, draw curved line, 5 to 3 short as a dot line, 5 to 3 front neck curved line, 2 to 6 shoulder slope, 2 to 6, 2 from 6 shoulder slope, 0 to 7 armhole baseline, 7 to 8 draw a line, measure and mark 1/4 of chest plus half inch seam margin, 1 to 9 draw a line, measure and mark 1/4 hips plus half inch seam margin, 9 to 8 draw line, this is side line, draw a line 6 from to armhole baseline, 6 to armhole baseline, this is back armhole line, draw a line 6 from to armhole baseline, this is back armhole line, mark a point middle of 6 and 8, mark a point half inch less than back armhole line, this is front armhole line, half inch inward less than this is front armhole line, draw back and front armhole as one, back armhole line, front armhole line, neck line, armhole and side line, mark dot in half inch, this is a seam margin, 3/4 inch in at bottom hem, back and front drafting, finishing up cut same as the outline, final cutting pattern before mark, sleeve drafting 0 starting point, 0 to 1 mark a line, measure sleeve length plus half inch seam margin at top of sleeve and 3/4 inch folding at sleeve hemming, 0 to 2 mark a point 2 inch, this is a sleeve cap height, 2 from mark frontward a line, this is a sleeve bicep line, sleeve bicep line, measure body armhole, back and front, take half, body armhole half, take, draw a triangle line, starting point to bicep inline, drawing triangle line 0 from edge 1, 0, 0 to armhole base line, bicep line, mark a point middle of triangle line 3/4 upward, edge 1, draw back armhole, drawing back armhole line, quarter inch down for front armhole, line edge 1, can be adjust sleeve armhole for body, sleeve armhole line adjust for body, one from 3, 3/4 inch in mark, 1 from 3, 3/4 inch mark. This is a sleeve opening line. 3 to 4 drawing a line, measure half sleeve opening plus half inch seam margin. 4 from draw line. This is a sleeve inseam line. 4 from draw a line, sleeve inseam line. Drawing line same of 4, drawing line same of 4, quarter inch plus from 1, draw and make finishing up, cut the same as the outline for final cutting pattern. Neck rib pattern, 2 inch to 3/4 inch neck rib height, 2 inch less than body neck line, rib pattern, total body neck line less than 2 inch from body neck line, rib pattern. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video.